waiting for my schedule, for my appointment, because my schedule is for 6 p.m. and it's currently 5:36. So I still have 24 minutes. So I'm still in the parking of the mall nearby the nail studio. Then I already got the stuff from Gab. So ayan. So I'll bring this to the airport na lang tomorrow. Then what else? So that's also still waiting, killing my time here in the parking. But maybe I should go now because my ETA is 5:45. Okay, so maybe I should go na. Wow, English era halata. So ayan, bye guys, see you later. Hopefully I can vlog, hindi ako mahiya sa nail studio. So ayan, bye guys. I'm done with my nails. So ayan, then magpapak na lang ako later for Bangkok and maybe clean some mess since parating na rin si Merak anytime soon. So ayan, so the way home, medyo dumaan ako sa McDo. Kung may mandadaanan akong McDo kasi nagka-crave talaga ako sa McDo. So we're now going to the airport. So ayan. So here's my lunch now. Chicken. Yan din sa kanila, chicken. Salted egg and garlic parmesan. Gutom na po yung kasama ko.